Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as weather's turning colder, Christmas items are starting to make their way into some of my, how shall we put it, favorite stores. You may remember last year we found a 2-pack from Kershaw. This year, we're going to take a look at their 4-pack. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to show you what was in there. Alright, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for all you really cool people who've been following me for a while and haven't subscribed yet, please take a look right down here. You're going to see a channel watermark. Just hover over that and that should bring you right to subscribe. Okay, now, as you saw in that opening, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw 4-piece knife set, the 2018 Walmart promotional Christmas. And that's exactly what that means. So, the funny part, you can't find these anywhere else other than Walmart. Can't find them on Kershaw's website. You can't find them on Blade HQ, all that wonderful stuff. But I'm sure after I've said that, someone's going to put them up on Amazon or eBay. But, you know, there's some of the stats real quick because we're going to get into that right about now. So the part that I found funny, it came with 4. It came with a big one, medium-sized one, which I'm thinking more lines of a gentleman's blade, and 2 of the exact same really small one. So we're going to break all these down for you right now. Now, here is the big guy. I really, truly like the way how that handle looks. It just has something a little different to it, and it feels wonderful in your hand. Now, to give you the wonderful stats, because we got a bunch of blades to get to really quick amount of time, I don't want to make this a half-hour video on 4 blades for a Christmas promo. It's got an overall length of 7.9 inches. The blade is the blade itself is 3.5. Enclosed, it's about 4.5 inches. It comes in at a pretty neat weight of about 4 ounces. Now, here's the part, throughout all these blades, it's the same steel, and I get it. You're making a mass drop Christmas item. The steel on all these blades is going to be 3CR13. Crap steel, I know, but when you're mass marketing 4 blades at a low price point, you got to do everything you can to keep it down. Now, the blade itself has a titanium carbonitrate coating. That's like for rust and corrosion resistance. Those are pretty much common on every Gerber blade I have ever run into. Now, as you saw, this guy does have the speed safe open, which you can do with either the dual thumb studs or the flipper. And it opens pretty damn quick, too. As you can see in there, there is a stainless steel frame. It does have the liner lock, a little bit of forward jimping, and I'll admit, I love that little swirl right up here. Makes it great when you're holding it. I would have rather seen some jimping a little bit more up front than back here, but that's just me. It has a 1-position pocket clip, which is, right hand carry tipped down. The handle is glass-filled nylon, no biggie, right? But it does not have a lanyard hole, which, okay, no biggie. Now, knife number 2. And this is the one that I said it's going to fit basically in with the gentleman's knife line. Now, it is a manual flipper open. There is no speed safe or, spring technology, any of that. I will tell you honestly, it really doesn't do well as a flipper open. So I've been staying with thumb studs. It's got an overall length of about 6.7 inches. The blade itself is 2.75, and closed it's around 3.9. It's pretty lightweight at about 2 ounces. And like I said, the steel is just 3CR13 with a stone wash finish. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. Now, it does have, stainless steel frame, liner lock, 1-position pocket clip, dual position pocket clip. You can either carry it, left or right, and it is tip up. And the handle is just simply glass-filled nylon. No biggie, right? So that's number 2 out of the 4-pack. Now here is the little guy. Alright? That's the itty-bitty little guy. Now, it's got an overall length of about 5.5 inches. The blade is 2.25, and the handle's about 3.25. It's got a very minor weight of 1.7 ounces. Now, as you know, and I've said repeatedly, the blade steel's 3CR13, and this one has a satin finish. Now, it has that little nail nick opening. I love the little clip point look to it. Sorry, the little clip point. It does have a lockback system, and the handle's just a rubber overmold over what looks like a little stainless steel frame in there. Now, we're only going to do one of these today, guys, simply because it's crap steel. But it's a Christmas item, and I get it. So we're going to do, as we always do, not bad, right out of the box. Paracord. So, pull test, no problem. And let's do one more. Just so I can have something for a slice test. Not bad. And our ever favorite ratchet strap. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, now as I said, these are just a Christmas item. This cost me 20 bucks. 20 bucks, 4 blades, lower end steel, perfect for an everyday carry kind of gift. I don't expect the world from them. You know, this is not a let's take it out in the woods and beat the crap out of a bushcraft style blade, but as a gift, it's not a bad idea. Seriously, it's not. You get basically what I'm thinking is a gentleman's blade. You get a heavier little workhorse. And you get a little itty-bitty baby brother. But that's my very quick look at these things, guys. I want to know your thoughts. You know, your questions, your comments, your love, your hatred, everything. Just leave it down below. You know I'm going to get back with you. You know I'm going to answer you. And you know we're going to have some fun with this one. It's the first of what I'm assuming are going to be many Christmas items that are going to roll out. Last year I brought some packs. This year if I find something interesting, I'm going to get it and bring it to the channel. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your time to check this one out. I know it's a little different. You know, we're featuring basically 3 out of the 4 blades because 2 of them are exactly that. And it's a Christmas time item. But I want to thank you for watching because I know there's lots and lots of videos out there, and I'm honored you chose one of mine. Now, for you awesome people who haven't done it yet, you know who I'm talking about. You, and you. Right down here is your second chance. You're going to see a channel logo popping up. Go ahead and destroy that thing, man. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've destroyed that subscribe button, please click on the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, that's right, you awesome person watching this video, every single time my dumbass uploads a video. Now, speaking of videos, too, I got to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick look at the Walmart 2018 Christmas promotional Kershaw knife set. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great one today.